Importing live animals and plants. Requirements for a smooth import process.
Welcome back to our Customs Brokerage and International Trade video series.
In today's episode, we will be discussing the requirements for importing live animals and plants. Importing live animals and plants involves complex regulations and procedures, so it's crucial to understand the necessary requirements to ensure a smooth and compliant import process. So, let's dive right in.
First and foremost, it's important to emphasize the significance of complying with the regulations when importing live animals and plants. These regulations are put in place to prevent the introduction of pests, diseases, and invasive species, which could have detrimental effects on the environment, agriculture, and public health. Customs brokers play a critical role in assisting importers with ensuring compliance and adhering to these requirements.
Importer Security Filing, ISF.
To initiate the import process, importers must submit an Importer Security Filing, commonly known as ISF. The ISF provides essential information about the shipment, including the details of the importer, consignee, origin, and destination of the goods. This filing must be submitted at least 24 hours prior to the departure of the vessel from the port of loading. Failure to comply with ISF requirements can result in penalties and delays in customs clearance.
Importing live animals and plants may also require the importer to obtain a customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee that ensures compliance with customs regulations and payment of duties, taxes, and fees. The bond serves as a safeguard for the government by providing assurance that all necessary requirements will be fulfilled. The specific bond amount may vary depending on the type and value of the goods being imported. In addition to the ISF and customs bond, importers must also obtain permits and licenses specific to the importation of live animals and plants. These permits ensure that the imported goods meet the required health, safety, and quality standards. The permits and licenses may be issued by governmental agencies responsible for regulating live animal and plant imports, such as the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, APHIS, in the United States. Quarantine and inspection.
Once the live animals or plants arrive at the port of entry, they may be subject to quarantine and inspection by the appropriate authorities.
Quarantine measures are implemented to prevent the entry of pests, diseases, or invasive species.
During the inspection, the authorities will verify the compliance of the shipment with the necessary regulations and may take samples or conduct tests to ensure the health and safety of the imported goods.
Documentation and record keeping. Throughout the import process, it is crucial to maintain accurate and detailed documentation. This includes invoices, packing lists, phytosanitary certificates, and any other relevant documentation. Proper record keeping is vital for compliance purposes, audit trails, and traceability. Customs brokers can assist importers in organizing and maintaining these documents to ensure smooth customs clearance and compliance with regulatory requirements. Importing live animals and plants requires careful attention to detail and compliance with the specific regulations governing these imports. By understanding and fulfilling the requirements such as the ISF, customs bond, permits, quarantine, inspection, and documentation, importers can navigate the import process smoothly while safeguarding public health, agriculture, and the environment. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this information valuable.
If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover in our upcoming videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade.
See you next time.